extracting metals towards the top of the activity series. Metals that are high up in the reactivity series, such as sodium, magnesium, calcium, and aluminum, are very reactive. Their affinity for oxygen is higher than that of carbon. That means they are tightly bound with the oxygen. So, the carbon cannot take oxygen from these metal oxides. Therefore, these metals cannot be obtained from their compounds by heating with carbon alone, as carbon is not strong enough to reduce their oxides. So, how to obtain the metal? These reactive metals are obtained by a process called electrolytic reduction, which involves the use of electrolysis. And what is electrolysis? Electrolysis is a process that uses an electric current to drive a non-spontaneous chemical reaction. Electrolysis is a process that uses an electric current to drive a chemical reaction. तो फिर देखते हैं इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक रिफाइनिंग कैसे कर सकते हैं. So this is the apparatus which is set for electrolytic refining. Let's open this apparatus. So this is a tank, and can you see here? 2 electrodes are placed in this tank. One electrode is cathode and second electrode is anode. In this tank, impure metal is made the anode. So basically, anode is an impure metal. तो फिर कैथोड किससे बनेगा? कैथोड में हम एक स्ट्रिप यूज करते हैं जो कि प्योरेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ मेटल होती है. That means a thin strip of pure metal is made the cathode. So here, anode and cathode are not normal electrodes. Basically, they are the metal electrodes only. But why we are saying कि ये कैथोड है और ये एनोड है? इन दोनों को हम कैथोड और एनोड क्यों बोल रहे हैं? Because anode is attached with the positive end of battery and cathode is attached with negative end of battery. और जो एनोड है उसमें है impure metal और जो कैथोड है उसमें है pure metal. तो अब हम इस टैंक में मेटल सॉल्ट का सोल्यूशन फिल करते हैं. Metal salt allows the electricity to be passed. On passing the current through the electrolyte, the pure metal from the anode dissolves into the electrolyte. करंट पास करने पर प्योर मेटल जो है एनोड से निकलकर इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स में डिसॉल्व होने लगता है एंड an equivalent amount of pure metal from the electrolyte is deposited on the cathode. The soluble impurities go into the solution, whereas the insoluble impurities settle down at the bottom of the anode and are known as anode mud. The use of electrolytic reduction allows the extraction of highly reactive metals that cannot be obtained by conventional reduction methods using carbon. The process relies on the strong electrical forces to drive the reduction and deposition of the metals at the cathode. So by this way, we can refine the metals very easily.